Hey there! If you're tired of shaving your underarms every few days, dealing with razor bumps, or spending money at salons, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you how to do a Brazilian-style underarm hard wax at home, step by step. Stay tuned because I'll also share pro tips to make the process easier, less painful, and totally worth it. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe for more beauty and self-care hacks. Shaving is quick, but let's be real. It leaves stubble within days. Hard wax, on the other hand, removes hair from the root, giving you smooth skin for up to 4 weeks. Here's why hard wax is a game changer. Less pain. Unlike soft wax, hard wax sticks to the hair, not the skin. Fewer ingrown hairs, no sharp ends from shaving means smoother regrowth. Longer lasting results. Hair grows back thinner and softer over time. If you've never tried it, don't worry, I'll walk you through the whole process. Before we start, make sure you have these essentials: your waxing kit checklist, hard wax beads, wax warmer or a microwave-safe bowl, pre-wax cleanser, micellar water or witch hazel works great, baby powder or cornstarch, helps absorb moisture for better waxing, wooden spatula for even application, post-wax oil or aloe vera gel to calm the skin after waxing. Got everything? Let's get started. Quick tip. If your underarm hair is longer than 1/4 inch, trim it down for a smoother waxing experience. Step 1. Prep your skin. Wash your underarms with a gentle cleanser to remove sweat and oils. Pat dry completely and apply a light layer of baby powder. This prevents the wax from sticking to your skin. Step 2. Heat the wax. Melt the wax until it's thick and gooey like honey. Let it cool slightly. Too hot, and it can burn your skin. Test a small amount on your wrist first. Step 3. Apply the wax. Using a spatula, spread a thick layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Leave a thicker edge at the end. This makes it easier to remove. Wait 30 to 40 seconds until it's solid but still flexible. Step 4. Remove the wax. Hold your skin tight with one hand. Grab the wax edge and pull quickly in the opposite direction of hair growth. Apply gentle pressure with your hand right after to minimize discomfort. Step 5. Aftercare. Use a soothing oil or aloe vera gel to calm the skin. Avoid deodorant, excessive sweating, or tight clothing for at least 24 hours. And just like that, you have smooth hair-free underarms. Even a small mistake can make waxing more painful or less effective. Avoid these common errors. Applying wax too hot. Always test the temperature first. Spreading wax too thin. A thick layer grips hair better and removes more in one go. Not pulling skin tight. Loose skin makes waxing more painful. Skipping post-wax care. This can cause irritation or ingrown hairs. Avoid these and your waxing will be smooth and easy. Want the best results? Here are some expert tips. Exfoliate 24 hours before waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Wax in small sections. Don't try to do your whole underarm at once. Breathe out as you pull the wax off. It helps reduce the pain. Wax in the evening. This gives your skin time to calm down overnight. Have your own waxing tips? Drop them in the comments below. So, are you ready to ditch razors and try waxing at home? Let me know how it goes in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a self-care tip. Coming up next, DIY bikini waxing, the easy way. Stay tuned.